Hello, I'm Matthias with MattBeth Construction, and today we're back inside one of our customers' homes. We're remodeling her bathroom, and this bathroom has been enlarged from a 36 by 36 to be a 4 foot by 7 feet. This allows you to have a roll-in shower like this, and in these kind of showers in the future, you're going to require bracing like grab bars and things like that. And to do that, it's important to put good blocking inside the wall. So what we've done here is we've put in some blocking inside the wall, and you typically put it between, because you're going to put it around 34 inches. So when you have the grab bars, those grab bar ends, the scutcheons are like this big, and you want to be able to really be able to screw in. So we typically put between 30 and 40 inches. That way, no matter where we want to put it, we're always going to have the kind of support we want. Okay, so that's just a little tip. Do not forget your backing inside your walls. It'll make putting grab bars in the future, one day when you want to, so much easier. Thank you very much for listening, and have a wonderful day.